All right, the drink we're about to make is called Broadway Martini. All right, go ahead and put some ice and water in a martini glass. We're going to let that chill while we concoct our drink. All right, put some ice in your mixing glass and measure out 2 ounces of gin. And follow that up with a splash of white creme de menthe. Okay, go ahead and grab your shaker and give it a good shake. You want to get it as cold as you can since we're serving it without ice. All right, dump out your ice water. Should have a well chilled glass and pour it in. And that should be a nice minty cocktail. Might even want to substitute it for some mouthwash in the morning. That's how I roll. Broadway Martini. Bottoms up. Let's see the show.